What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel out of Puente Hills. And we're here because we do have the Champs outlet. Haven't been here forever. I got messages and comments from you guys because damn, they opened up all the boxes. Look at all the sneakers they have. They have all kinds of stuff. Stuff I haven't seen in a while too. Huge surprises here. I will show you guys all the surprises. It's crazy, dude. But yeah, I got LeBron's here, $50. The Lowe's got 4 different colorways. I'm 99% sure this one's 50 as well. Air Max 95s, $80. We've been seeing these on sale everywhere. Air Max Pluses. Got 2 different colorways of the 11 Low IEs. They've been here for a cool minute. Cosmic Unities going for $50. Not too bad. Okay. And Donovan Mitchell's still going for $20 freaking. They must have gotten more of these. Yeah, they got these right here, and I bet these are $20 as well. These are normally $110. Gill Zeros, they're listed at $140. I guarantee you they're not $140. I think they've been, what, $60 at some of the spots? Web Boost, that's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen. $60 for Ultra Boost webs. Are you serious? That's crazy. Got a few different colorways. And then these Ultra Boosts down here, these are down to $80. Normally $190. $80, dude. We even got all the Mellows, the MB ones right here. Well, not all of them, but MB. What the hell? What the hell? What the is going on here? What is going on here? Are you serious? $30. These are $100 off. What the hell? And I was looking at these right here. These are $80. I was like, what? MB2's going for $80. This is insane. $30? Are you serious? Holy cow. Holy cow. Rookie of the Year colorway. Talked to one of the workers. He said there's only a couple sizes left. Size 10. And I think he said 11.5. Yeah, these are too tight. Dang it. Yeah, I need my 10.5 for these. Dang it. Damn. Maybe. I don't know, maybe. Dang, they kind of fit me. I'm wondering if I should get them. Do I really need them? Do I really need, like, any of these shoes? Like I said, I've been on a budget and stuff. Thinking about it. Then they got the MB ones right here. I don't know what the price is, though. It shows $115. I might have to have them scan this one. I know damn well it's not going to be $29.99. Grabbing the last size 10. So yeah, these are going for $100. I had one of the workers scan it. Yeah, so for $30, like I kind of have to, right? $30. Damn. All right, we got a ton of stuff to cover. I'm gonna grab these. They got all kinds of crazy stuff over here. Man, I just covered that section right there. They got all kinds of really good stuff in that section. And the workers were telling me, hey, we got stuff matching if you want to grab stuff that does match. Look at this. $20 for the Mellow shorts right here. These are all the Puma Mellow shorts. Normally $65 down to $20. 20 freaking, what the hell? Why is that? Is that the Charlotte colorway? What the hell? Why would they add that little bit of gold right there? Kind of weird. And then dude got the ones up top. I think those are going for $30. And I got other shorts right here. This is actually like, this material seems really nice right here. Normal bias. The EQ 120s from the mixtapes. Side A. Oh, okay. This is like supposed to emulate a cassette tape from way back when. Okay, doing something different. Okay. They got shirts. They got hoodies right there going for $50. I don't know exactly what size though. Got the matching jacket right here. It says mixtape. Side A, side B. Dang, that side B is hella huge. $30 for that. That's a LaMelo hoodie as well. I don't know the price. I think they're going for $50. They're normally $90. I think they're $50 because that's right there. That also says $50, so I would think $50. Checking out some apparel. Now look at this. More Yankees gear. This is the new era. $100 down to $30. Holy cow, this looks like hella small though. This looks like a small. Yep, it is a small. Nike running shorts. These are basketball shorts. $70 down to the $30. Ooh, the Tech Fleece shorts right here. These are normally $85. These are down to $30. Got some dry fit sweatpants right here. This looks kind of small. Yeah, that is a small. And got plenty of these. These are Nike. Yeah, these are Nike. I don't know what the hell they have. Elastic on the top. Kind of feels like denim, but obviously isn't. Going for $30 as well. Friendly reminder, this is a clearance center, so all sales are final. You got Nike hoodies. These are, this is a kid size. It looks like this is going for $30. And I can tell because it says 30 right here. $70 for these bad boys. Some jerseys. Kind of funny. Little wordplay right here. Soul food right here. I think these are going for 30. Normally 45. These are long sleeve. Half? Oh no, these are short sleeve. They're just freaking huge. It's like a quadruple XL, double XL right here. Medium right here. These look oversized as hell though. There's no way that's a medium. That's the most oversized shirt I've ever seen. Got the Adidas pants right here. Sweats going for $30. Got Nike. These are going for 30. The camo one. These have been here for a minute. If y'all into tie-dye, they got these bad boys right here for 30 as well. All right, we're going back and forth. We back here, man. I'm so excited to show you a couple things. All right, I have no clue what the hell that is, but look at this, $20. Y'all need some Instant Punch, 20 bucks, 20 freaking dollars. Got these right here, Kamikazes. It's like a Looney Tunes version, I believe. Yeah, look, has a warning. Outrageous, exaggerated, energetic, and it says Looney. Yeah, Looney Tunes going for 30 bucks. Who's that marketed towards? Like, really? And then look at this, $50. I guarantee they don't have that many sizes. This is size 8.5 on display. $50 freaking dollars. Are you serious? Got the Street Fighter collab right here with the Capcom Street Fighter logo right there. $80 for these. And then 574 is on sale, 50 bucks. Look at this one right here. And then this Reebok right here. This one looks pretty dope. Classic leather right here. Decent material, like $40. That's what's up. 550s right here, 60. And then look at this, the Iversons right here, the Panini ones right here if you like sandwiches or trading cards. $60 for those. Eagles colorway going for 60 freaking dollars. Sizing is definitely limited on a lot of this stuff. These are a size 11 on display right here. And if you guys are sneaker collectors, if you guys are sneaker fans, if y'all been watching the channel, y'all know what the hell these are. $60. Are you serious? $100 off? $100 off? Are you effing serious? Are you effing serious? These are an 8.5. Holy cow. And then do got the other Paninis right here. These are the mids. The other ones are the lows. But yeah, 50% off for these bad boys right here. And then I just realized they're using the bottom shelf, because I think I've stepped on the bottom shelf to get up to the top. And they're using the bottom shelf. They got that many sneakers here, including these Converse on sale. $20 this one, if someone likes that old school 80s look. If you guys have a good eye, you guys saw that N1 right there. But yeah, they got these as well as these right here. Are these the Tai Chis right here? Damn, if they had my size, I would so grab these. These are size 14. These are size 14. I would so grab these if they had this my size. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, man, I need to harass the workers, see if they have these in different sizes. Fuck that. These are so fire, dude. Man. And those of you guys that don't know, that's the one that Vince Carter wore during the dunk contest when he was in sneaker free agency before he signed with Nike. Or was it after Nike? I think it was before he signed with Nike. And got little ones right here. Okay. All right, I just saw another customer ask if they have other sizes. I knew they didn't because it's size 14 right here. The one thing I was curious about, did they get any other sizes? Did they have any other size here at any point? They said no, that's the only one they got. I was like, there's no way. These some A1s, never seen these. I have seen these before. These look interesting as hell. These look clean, dude. Not gonna lie, these look clean. They don't look very comfy, but you know, they look clean as hell, man. They look clean as hell. They're gonna be super stable. Wonder if that plastic, how durable that is. This looks like it's carbon fiber. This is actually fire as hell. 50 bucks. And then look at this Diodora. It's going for 20 freaking dollars. The 9002s. They got the Mavericks as well. Then the N9002's got a bunch of different ones right here. I'll go for $20 freaking. I know some of you guys are all good with the Diodoras. Holy crap, that is cheap. $20 freaking. Dude got Vans on sale. Not crazy, like $50 for that. 30, 20 for these right here. Someone you know likes the skate highs right there. $20. Got these ripped ones for $20 as well. Dude got the Project Rocks right here. I don't remember which one. Is this the 2s or 3s? I don't know. But yeah, normally $150 down to $90. This place is pretty wild, man. The selection they have is pretty crazy. The prices are insane. Sizing is definitely going to be iffy. It's pretty much a clearance store, so it's going to be like when you go to the Nike clearance store. Not that many sizes of a lot of stuff, but selection's kind of crazy if you can find something your size. Definitely worth a visit if you're pretty close. And then, of course, I got to show you guys what's going on this wall. This wall's been the most legendary wall in Southern California. And it's dwindled down. So they've chilled on all the Mitchell and S. They still do have these bad boys. $20. $20 you guys will see in some of my other videos that some of the other champs, like the one in Cerritos, has these. They're 75 or 70% off, but they're not $20. They're not $20. They got multiple sizes here still. They got a medium right here. This one looked a little bit bigger. Oh, this one's a medium as well. This one's a large right here, so not crazy with the sizes, but they got medium large as well. They got the Lakers Chinese New Year's one right here, and they got these. I've had an opportunity to buy these, but I have two that look almost just like it, so I did not pull the trigger. This is a small right here, but for $20, are you serious? Lakers Chinese New Year's, both of them are smalls. But if you guys wanted them, man, they were here for months. So, that's on you guys because I showed these so many freaking times. Dude got a Dodgers 2020 World Series one right here. Is this the one that I have? I swear to God I bought one of these just because it's so cheap. I'm not like a big Dodgers fan, but my friends are, so, I'll watch the games. Yeah, these are size medium for $20. Then they still got a bunch of the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air shorts. Those have been here forever. But yeah, they do have Lakers. I swear these are swim trunks, man. Tell me these are swim trunks. Security ties on them. And got a couple of those. Those are mediums, I think. I don't know what the hell this is. Pro Standard All-Star shirts right here. 55. I think they're down to 30. I don't know. But yeah, I see a medium in the front. No, what other size is that? Oh, they have a double XL in the back. Okay. Yeah, so those are 30. He just asked right there. You got these. They're like weird. They're short sleeve hoodies. It's like a thick t-shirt material. $30 for these. And I think they have other sizes. They did before. Dodger jacket going for $60. And I forgot to show what they have behind here. They do have Pro Standard shirts right here. Seattle t-shirts. More Pro Standard Dodger stuff. San Diego shirts, I'll go for $30. And they got Pro Standard hoodies right here, $40 for these. These are Dodgers with a leopard print. They do have more colorways up top. They do have Timberland hoodies right here. I think they're $30. That jacket, the windbreaker, that's the jacket going for $30. And then these hoodies are nice. If y'all like Timbs, these are nice. I'm not going to go through every size, but that's an XL in the front right there. I got other colorways up top going for $30, and then an actual Timberland jacket right there. And kind of a poofy jacket. Back to the sneaker section. It's not as interesting in the women's, but we'll check out the women's and the kids. Got Vapor Max right here, going for $100. Pretty fair price. Oh, this one? What the hell? It's slightly different. I think it is slightly different. But I don't know. But yeah, $80 for that one. We got Air Max 97s right here. Going for $80 a piece, so 50 off. Got the Nike boots right here, going for $80. NMDs, various prices depending on the colorway. Pretty much have all of the rainbow colors or all the M&M colors. And then we got white ones right here. Extra winterized RSX right here, $20. These are definitely not 50. These normally go for like 125 or something like that. Damn. They're going for 30, 30, 50 right there. And I think those are RSX on top as well. I swear these were a collab with someone. I don't remember who though. Okay, well, yeah, they got them. Women's, what are these, like snakeskin one? Faux snakeskin? Okay. Classic leathers, slightly different. Go for $20. That one's 40, 40, $30 for UGG rain boots right here. That's not bad. These started off at 160. They had a couple different colors. I might think of that for somebody. But yeah, man, these are not the rain boots. These are suede ones going for 60. Got that. Is it a hologram? Is that? I don't know. And then for kids, definitely the cheapest we've ever seen those. NMD's going for 50, 50. You got the Speed Turf right here going for 60. Been seeing the Airmark Tempos for hella cheap here. 50, 60, 70 for those right there. That's some older Currys, right? Curry 9s down to $20. Curry 9s for $20. Are you effing serious? Holy cow. Holy cow. What? I might have to grab one of these for a kiddo that I know. Holy cow. This is just cheap. This is just cheap. $20. Got a couple Jamal Mashburns, and then they call these the spaghettis. Is that what they call them now? But yeah, these are the Jerry Stackhouse from way back when. This is very similar to the OG colorway that I had it, because I think the OG was like this. It was just blue, and white, and had a little bit of red on it. But yeah, man, if I found that colorway, I'd definitely grab those. This one's kind of interesting. Look at this. They have this in grade school. They also got it at women's. The women's was $30, right? The women's was 30, and these are going for 50. And like a lot of overlap on the sizes too. I was thinking about getting that for someone. I'm gonna chill, dude. I'm gonna chill. So $30 freaking dollars. I can't believe I got this for $30. I think they have one other size left. I don't know. They haven't brought it out yet, because obviously I took the display, so I don't know. But I will put out a short. Hopefully you guys can take advantage of some of this stuff. Man, this is crazy. All right, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys know, but yeah, you guys know to be patient right now, right? Like pretty much everything's going on sale. Obviously, not some of the super hyped SB Dunks and like certain collabs and stuff like that, but the regular stuff, most of it's gonna go on sale. So I hope you guys are being patient. Hope you guys are taking advantage of the sales. And that was just unexpected. That was unexpected. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end, you guys. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. I did get a new ride. Not really new, but it's like a new use ride. But the big thing is it does get way better gas mileage, so I can drive around like nothing anymore. I'm not worried about gas mileage, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna be covering a lot of LA. We're gonna be driving. We're gonna be doing some stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end. Yeah, got plenty coming. Hope you guys are catching deals. I'm gonna put a short. I'm gonna put a short up. So hopefully you guys see that, and you know, hopefully you guys are able to come up. But yeah, gonna wrap things up. Stay tuned. Got plenty coming. If you guys want to catch some of the older vlogs, watch one of these, and that's pretty much about it. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. What's picking up? Look at this. Are you effing serious? Holy cow, man. I don't even need them like that, but $30. I'm thinking about it, dogs. I'm thinking about it. Holy cow. Rookie of the year colorway. These are the MB2, so they got the stats from his rookie year right there. They're pretty freaking clean for $30. They are pretty freaking clean. And they only have a couple sizes left. I think 11.5 and 10. So I might grab the 10, dude. I might have to, man. Sales are pretty freaking insane. They have all kinds of interesting stuff. I'm gonna try to get the video for you guys tomorrow. But yeah, check out Cool Kicks YouTube channel.